the shopping cart trick, you guys. A lot of people ask me about the shopping cart trick, like, hey, Rickita, can you do the shopping cart trick for me? It's not working for me. What do I do? I just want to go over a few things in the shopping cart trick to help you guys. So this was an old video I did a year ago. So this is one of my first videos that kind of had like a lot of people watching it, but it was the shopping cart trick, and I did Victoria's Secrets. Now I did Victoria's Secrets again, and I actually have me doing it so you guys can see how it actually happens. But all you have to do is for the shopping cart trick, I want you to opt into the Factor Trust. So if you look down here in the description, well, do I have it? Yep, it's right here. You could just go ahead, go to this website and opt in, you guys. So go to this website, make sure you put opt in, not opt out. If you opt out, you won't be able to do it. So opt in, go ahead and click submit. Go ahead, fill in your first name, your last name, your social security number, date of birth, put your address in with your city, state, and zip code, and your email address. Now, what opting in is, all it is saying, hey, give my information to all the credit card companies. I'm looking to get a credit card. So when they give your information to all these credit card companies, whether your credit is good or bad, they're going to approve you. The only thing is, if you have any type of fraud alert or anything like that, saying that you have fraud in your account, you will not get approved. So make sure you don't have any type of fraud alerts. If you have fraud alerts, call TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Call or text me, 833-RICKITA. That's my phone number. So I think the actual phone number is 833-742-5482. But you guys will see it on the screen, so I'm going to put up there for you guys. But call or text me. I can give you the number to the credit bureaus. But call them and say, hey, can you take these fraud alerts off my account? And they should be able to take the fraud alerts off your account. But remember, if you have fraud alerts, you won't get approved. So remember, this is going to be a credit card you guys can get approved for, which is Victoria's Secrets. So let's go ahead and look further into the video here. So in fact, let's not look into that video. I'm going to show you guys the video I want you guys to look at. So let's go down to some of the comments. So somebody asks, will getting this credit card help their credit score go up? It really just depends. If you don't have any credit cards, I always tell you guys have for a credit card. So if you don't have any credit cards, it will help your credit score go up. So a lot of people want to buy a house and they can't get regular credit cards because their credit is bad. That's why I tell clients to do the shopping cart trick. So if you don't have any credit cards, a lot of times your credit score will really go up a lot. Just make sure you keep the balance low. Just having credit cards is not good enough. So say if you get approved for a $500 credit card with Victoria's Secrets and you go to Victoria's Secrets and max it out, or if you spend more than the 5%, which is $25. If you spend more than $25 at Victoria's Secret, it's not going to help you as much as I wanted to. So make sure you guys don't use these credit cards. 2 months ago, somebody put, thank you. It worked for me an hour ago. So that was with the Victoria's Secrets. Let's see if somebody else said. So look, they said I signed right up and got 2 credit cards the same day with Victoria's Secret, New York and Company. So that is good. And remember, you guys, look down the description and get my master credit card list. It's like 60 or 70 different credit card companies that you guys can pick from. You guys don't have to do New York and Company. You guys don't have to do Victoria's Secret. There's other credit cards that you guys can do. It worked just as stated. So you guys really try these tricks. Now, let me go ahead and show you guys the video of me actually doing it. So this is the video here. Actually, this is the screen here. My bad, you guys. This is the screen here. So this is what you guys should see. And it's in the incognito window. I forgot, I didn't close it out, you guys. I'm just trying to get this video out. So this is what you guys can see. You've been pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. So this is what it will look like. After you do the steps that I'm going to show you guys in the video that I meant to pull up, this is what you guys will see. So here's the video here, actually. So let me go ahead and start it over. So it started off with that in the beginning, but I started off on my page, but you guys want to go to the Victoria's Secret's website, just like I did. You want to be in the incognito window too, you guys. That's these 3 dots right here, and new incognito window. You see that? Click new incognito window, and you can click that on your regular screen. I suggest that you guys do it on a desktop too. So I just went and found some items. I always like to put like $250 in the cart. So if you guys see here, I'm just looking for something to buy. And I'm really just looking because I want something too. I'm looking for something that I want to. Just like, oh, I want to buy that for myself. If I do good, I treat myself for different things. So right now, it's $74 in the cart. Usually I pick the same item But I was like, let me just pick different items just to show you guys it don't have to be the same item. Because some people are like, oh, maybe I shouldn't put the same item in there. It doesn't matter. Put different items in there if you want to, but make sure that it's about that. So it's what, 234 at the time. Check out as guest. Make sure you guys click check out as guest. And let me pause the screen here. So you guys want to put all your information here. That same information that you put into the opt-in, you guys want to put it here. So put your name here, put your address here, with your city, state, and zip code. They're going to ask for your email address and your phone number. Put all that in. Now, I put somebody else's information in. I do not want you guys to see it, so it's going to go straight to the pop-up. So let me show you guys how the pop-up will come up. So that's how the pop-up will come up right after you put that information in. So go ahead and put all the information in, and that will be the pop-up that's going to pop up. That's the pop-up that's going to pop up after you go ahead and opt in. And if you don't get it right away after you opt in, so say if you opt in and you try right away, if it don't happen, wait a week. Wait a few days, wait a week, keep trying, you guys. Try different companies. I got the master credit card list. Go down and look in the description and do the master credit card list. Because if you guys get the master credit card list, you guys can see all of the different companies that I have for you guys. But let's go ahead and put my big head here. But go ahead and try this trick, you guys. Like I said, you can see other people saying that they actually tried the trick and it worked for them. I don't like how their face is there. But they tried the trick and it worked for them. I want you guys to try the trick also and try to see if that trick can work for you. And again, too, it's multiple companies. I'm going to show you guys this. I'm going to do a video just like this for every company that I showed you guys for. Because it seems, told you guys about, because it seems like a lot of people like, I don't know if it's going to work. Just do exactly what I did. I went to Victoria's Secrets. Let's watch the video one more time. So I went to Victoria's Secrets. I added the items to my cart. So let's see here. I went to Victoria's Secrets. I found some items that I wanted to get. I scrolled down some though. Make sure you guys allow pop-ups too. Go ahead and make sure that you're allowing pop-ups. So change that setting in the computer so that you can allow pop-ups. If you need help with that, you want me to make another video on that, I can surely make another video on that. So I just found some pajamas, and I want the items to be between $200 and $300 in the cart. So I went and found the items that I wanted. So I kind of liked it, that the suit that she had on. So I was like, oh, let me get this pajama set. So I got that, got it in different colors because I wanted to make sure I had different items. But go ahead and find some things that you want to buy between $200 and $300. So I don't want you to buy it. After you get that credit card, after you put your information in, they're sending you that credit card in the mail. I want you to just get out the whole website. Just leave. You don't need to buy any of these items. You want to fake like you want to buy it. So click checkout. Checkout as guest. Go ahead and put your information in right there. So you'll put your name in, your address, your date, not your date of birth, put your name in, your address, put your phone number and your email address in, and you're going to get this pop-up right here. Now, when you get that pop-up, just like that, you guys, when you guys get that pop-up, that's when you know, okay, I did what I was supposed to do. That's how you know you did good. And you can pick which card you want to. I forgot to show you guys that. But you can pick either card. You can go get the regular Victoria's Secrets or you can get the pink card. So that's how you guys do the shopping cart trick for Victoria's Secrets. Don't forget, look down the description, get my master credit card list. And don't forget to, my master credit card list got two $5,000 credit cards that anybody can get approved for. It doesn't matter what your credit score is, you can get approved for it. I always tell my clients to get that. I have other cards on there that you guys can get approved for. That's very easy. Go ahead, look down the description and get that list. And remember, you don't have to do Victoria's Secrets. It's like over 60 or 70 credit cards you guys can get. Go ahead and try the trick and let me know in the description if you guys are able to get approved for it. Bye-bye.